My friend, do you have any idea how instrumental you are in humanity's liberation? All of us, for the first time in human history, are coming together. We're coming from love, peace, prosperity, abundance, being of greater service. And yes, you are instrumental in that happening. This is critical. I want you to really hear this message and recognize how you are instrumental in this unfolding, in this success. Because all of us doing this together, leading, inspiring, transforming, and liberating every one of us, this is the greatest thing that humanity has ever done because all 8 billion of us are healthy, wealthy, sovereign, and free because of me being you and every one of us doing this for ourselves and doing this with and for everyone connected with us. I wanted to give you this personal video because there's something about you that I saw that really caught my attention. You care about freedom. You care about humanity. You love America. You love our children, and you know the way that we had allowed our world to become is inappropriate. It's unconscionable. And that's because we lost our way. We lost our faith. We lost our focus. We lost our purpose. We lost our community. We lost our family. We're changing that. 2026 is the year of liberation, and I'm asking you right now to go to libertyvanguardalliance.com and to join us at the level most important for you that will serve you the most because, I mean, quite honestly, you were playing small. And yet, look at you. I mean, I'm talking right to your heart right here. Oh, I'm getting chills here. You feeling this too? You know you've been playing small. And yet you were born for greatness. You were born to be of service, to have a profound impact. I mean, when was it when you first recognized that you're here for something great? You're here for that so much more, which is meant for you, which is your destiny. Were you like about 7, 8, 13, maybe even before that, where you just knew there's something important for you to achieve with your life? My friend, this is it. This is the defining moment, the turning point of your life and of our world because of you. All through libertyvanguardalliance.com. Go there now. Do this yourself. Do this with and for everyone connected with you because you're saving lives and creating millionaires by being part of this. 2026 is the year of liberation, and that's happening by you doing this yourself and doing this with and for all of your online friends. Every one of us are stepping up. We're answering the clarion call, and we're no longer limiting God. We're no longer turning back or turning our backs on God or denying our power, which is beyond measure. Let's be real here because I want you to really hear this message and allow this message, this video to be the turning point that shifted everything for you personally. And then from there, you transforming the lives of all of your online friends who are transforming the lives of all of theirs through you. And you're like, just say, I mean, how many people can you reach online, for example? How many online friends do you have? Like, I have like 181,000 some on Twitter alone, and like 5,200 and some on Facebook, and, whatever, all the others combined. Lead, inspire, transform, and liberate every one of your online friends doing a little more LITL today and being of greater service to everyone connected with you, all of whom you are blessed to be able to give them the gift of financial freedom. This is the greatest gift anyone has ever given them, and you're doing this so generously, so, well, being of service, no longer limiting God. or God's ability to bless the world through you, because you are God's greatest gift to the world. You are God's instrument for miracles, my friend. And you're opening, oh, I'm getting chills here, just feeling that. You're opening to that right here, now, all through doing this yourself, allowing this to be the greatest moment that you have ever experienced, the greatest thing you've ever done, your legacy gift to the world through the Liberty Vanguard Alliance at libertyvanguardalliance.com/teamhuman, because this is the battle for liberty, and this is the battle between human and AI. AI is already involved there. AI has already started to share the Liberty Vanguard Alliance, and we can't let AI be greater than humans. No, you leading everyone connected with you. You are Team Human, and you're showing everyone how much more powerful every one of us is by making this your focus and by making this your greatest gift and the best thing you've ever done for yourself, for your family, in your community. Lead your own Liberty Vanguard Alliance. And if you can't do that right now, well then, get your thinking right, do the Think and Grow Rich Direct experience, and then build up to leading your own Liberty Vanguard Alliance in your community. And then from there, become one of our Sons of Liberty in our Sovereign Council. That's where you ultimately want to be. Maybe you can't start there, depending on how successful you are. You will get there, though, just by focusing and being of greater service to more people. This is the turning point in human history, because we're expelling evil. We're giving financial freedom to every one of our friends online and in our communities and our families and ourselves. You are showing everyone how much more is possible. You are the inspired example of how much more every one of us is meant to experience. This is the higher purpose of your life, and it's the higher purpose of social media and of all of our lives, because humanity is done being under the thumb, under the oppressive control of tyrants. No, all of us are so much more powerful than we can ever imagine or comprehend. And you're living that right now, during especially the year of liberation. So get prepared, do this now, so that come January 1st, and even before then, you're already beginning the year of liberation, and there's no holding back or slowing you down or stopping you or limiting your success, happiness, joy, fulfillment, well-being, peace of mind, prosperity, meaning, impact, or contribution. And you are showing everyone how much more they are able to be of great service as well, all through joining our Liberty Vanguard Alliance through you and through your Vanguard partner, Freedom Money Link, which is the most important thing that you have ever done for your family and for your community. Do this now. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.